how to add item number for every item below. Oh, well, there is a simple way. Um, this one, just type 1, 2, 3. Right, for every item, just put a number there. However, if you have a very long list and you do it every single week, then this will take you times, a lot of time. So what if I can do something like that, right? So look at this here, right? So so we're going to just choose here and then ta-da, and click on this, choose fill without formatting. That's so cool, right? So let's just learn about what is this is blank. Right, so the first thing is that um you got to know what is called count A, which is here. So basically just count number of rows, and then next thing is that you can also, if I drag it over here, right, what will happen is that count A will have this value, right? So okay, so if you need a further information about this count A, right, I have this guide, except from the guides, right? So you can look at it. Next one is that let's look at go back to here, right? Now, if you want to change, say that I have also another way is this DeFi, and you click on this here and look at I'll just lock this and I drag this down here. So I can actually show the item number on and off, right? However, I still need a function that is that when there is a value here, then I will show the number. When there is no value on this column here, name column, then I will just turn it into blank, just empty, right? How do I do that? Now that is what we trying to do exactly here. So let's just delete this. Let's start with equal a function, and basically click on this cell here. This is a name, and I just want to check whether it's blank. So there is a function called is blank. Is blank, and then open parentheses. Well, if it's blank, right, what you do, right? Well, just make it empty, right? Otherwise, here numbering. Okay, so I just give you a cool idea first, right? See that numbering, and I just copy this down. Look at that, right? So I'll just fill without formatting. So look at this, right? At the moment, right, whenever there is a value, it will go numbering. When there's no value, it will become empty, right? So yeah, so kind of like cool, right? The only thing is that how can we have that numbering automatic show, right? This is where we from here we change it, right? From this one, change it to the count A we just explained earlier. That we basically count here and to here, and then log this value here, and again we just copy this down one more time. Go here, fill it out blank. Look at that, look at that. And that is how you do this easily, right? So let's just copy this formula down and look at it here. Okay, so this is the formula where it says that, hey, if this cell D3 is blank, then show empty. Now, on this row 3, is it blank? No, it's not blank. So when it's not blank, so what you do is that this is not blank. So when it's not blank, then give me a count at the moment, right? So at the very moment here, right, that the count is just look at one cell, D3 to D3. When it comes to here, right, it's no longer D3 to D3, it's D3 to D7. Look at that. So in this highlighted area, this okay, let's just look at here. when it comes to this particular tool, right? So this value here no longer show as just D3 to D3. It's D3 to D7 because that range that we are checking is expanding. And that is how we automate this process, right? Pretty easy, right? Just copy it down, right? Rather than do it one by one, right? Previously, right? Imagine that you have five of these, right? You have to do it like one, then two, then three, then four, then five. Then you continue more, right? So if you find even this can if it just take 5 minutes a week, it still accumulate. It's a huge process, and it's tedious, and it's a way to automate it, right? In Excel. Thanks for watching.